Words you wouldn't necessarily associate it with downtown Nampa, but all that could be changing because city leaders want to pour millions of dollars into creating a newer image for that area, and they need your input to do it. Our Jennifer Ah has more with tonight's big story.
Gemma, in just a few years, downtown Nampa may have a block full of trendy restaurants, energy-efficient buildings, and a new library. City leaders have been planning this project since 2006, and finally, it looks like things are coming together. A brand new 3-story library, an outdoor plaza, and a new parking building could soon become a reality, all on one block of downtown Nampa. Residents and officials alike tell us a new library is direly needed.
It's a little outdated. It's a little old, kind of musty in there.
It's very small, limited parking, but it still can get, 1,400 people through the door every day. We imagine when the new library comes on, that'll at least double.
NDC, the Nampa Development Corporation, is working with the Gardner Company to renovate the pivot block where the old police station stands. NDC leaders say along with the state-of-the-art library, there are plans for new office space, retail, and restaurant space.
I just remember that downtown did not have a good image. Like that's just a boring place. It's, not much to do. But now it's actually kind of a hangout.
However, it can use more improvement and foot traffic. As I'm walking through downtown Nampa, as you can see, there's no one around me, pretty much no pedestrians on the streets.
Walking is just not a big thing here, it seems like, especially out where I live, there's not even sidewalks.
There's a lot of empty storefronts, and we were hoping there was a little bit more to do, like coffee shops or stores to go in and out of, just something more on the weekend to be able to walk around with.
Right now, NDC wants to create a more pedestrian-friendly environment on 12th Avenue. According to NDC, the average age in Nampa is 30 years old, with lots of young families and kids, a great age group for a more vibrant downtown. And now you can even weigh in on the project. The Nampa City Council will hold a public hearing Monday night inside City Hall. And if all goes well at tomorrow's meeting, NDC and the Gardner Company will move forward with the redevelopment of the pivot block. The city will then vacate all of the buildings on that block by the end of August. And they hope to have that block between 12th and 2nd Street up and running by 2014. Live in the studio, I'm Jennifer Ah, Fox 9 on your side.